you from Belarus, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, thank you.
But my brothers worked in Bangladesh early.
Your brother?
Yes, my brothers. Two brothers worked in Bangladesh.
Your two brothers
brothers.
work in Bangladesh?
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, so I mean, have you ever been to the Bangladesh? Did you come in Bangladesh ever?
Not. Only my brothers.
Oh, okay. Your own brother? Your own brother?
My cousin brothers.
Your cousin brother. Well, so what kind of work they do in Bangladesh?
I think it's buildings.
Oh, building construction sector.
Yes. Engineer.
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 Oh, well, that's cool. So you come in Bangladesh, considering your brother.
No. I don't have plans come to Bangladesh.
Well, that's really interesting that your brother work in Bangladesh. But you know what? Everyone just welcome here in Bangladesh. If you come in Bangladesh as a tourist, I would like to give you a free accommodation because you are my friend.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Really? Thank you.
Yeah. So what do you do especially alongside the musician? Do you have any other work?
No. I'm only musician. Early I work only in Belarus. Now I finding contracts in foreign country. Maybe it's Qatar or Saudi Arabia. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe.
Yes, very interesting really that you are getting offer from foreign country to really sing a song. Well, so I would like to hear very little things if you just let me hear your voice, please. Can you sing a song very little?
Song? I'm not singer. I'm instrumentalist.
Oh, instrumentalist. Yeah, okay. I got you now.
Yes. Do you know Arabic instrument santur?
Yes, I got it.
Yes. I playing on instrument like santur, but it's Belarusian national instrument.
Yeah, I understand now. So many foreigner are working in Bangladesh in electricity sector with the construction sector.
But they worked early. It was time ago.
Oh, it's a time and time ago. Well, yeah, I understand.
Yes, it was time ago. Yes. Now my brothers will be worked maybe in Turkey or Egypt. I don't know.
Oh, well, so you don't know, but it's okay. But you try to come up in Bangladesh with your setup for having a music concert in Bangladesh.
Oh, it will be great, but it's very hard. Seriously, very hard.
Yeah, but finally, you speak English very good. Rather than the other people having in a hostile situation, the Belarus doesn't speak English. I think you have a special language, but also you speak English very good. But how did you learn English?
Oh, I'm very lazy girl, but now I learn my English every day on read books.
Yeah.
And my teacher tell me that I have a level B1. I understand people excellent, but it's so hard tell you something.
Yeah.
Because you must think. I long think about what can I tell you.
Yeah, I understand. Do you have a teacher of English?
in my city we have speaking club on
Yeah,
English.
I got it.
Yes, sometimes I go to the speaking club.
Yeah, that means you go to the speaking club to practice English.
Yes, I try.